Welcome back to another episode of Pay to Deliver. And in today's episode, we will be talking about how to apply for Amazon Flex in 2026 from start to finish. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go here where it says this is what you need to get started, baby. All of the links will definitely be down below, and you will go to flex.amazon.com. So first, it's saying that you need to live in a city where Amazon Flex operates, right? You need to be 21 years or older. You also need to have a valid US driver's license and social security number. You also need to have a mid-sized or larger vehicle and insurance on that vehicle. And then lastly, of course, you need to have a phone and a bank account. Okay, so now let's download this Amazon Flex app in the Apple. Well, if you don't have an iPhone, it will be in whatever type of device that you have where you can download applications. Okay, so I was just going through some of the reviews and looking at some of the features of the new Amazon Flex app. As you guys know, they just changed the logo and it's pretty awesome. So I'm just taking a screenshot of all of the basic requirements that you need to get started. And now we are going to go ahead and answer truthfully. Okay, we want to get approved and not denied. So, because we are 21 years or older, because we do have the proper size vehicle, a driver's license, a social security number, and everything that we need to get started, we will click all of the items and then press next. So, here, what you want to do is put in your zip code where you think that you will want to work or where you currently live. That is very, very, very important because that will determine if Amazon Flex will need you to work or not. Then you want to go ahead and select the days that you are open to work. In my personal opinion, I think it's wise to select all of the days and just keep yourself open because you just never know what might be available. However, we still want to be honest, okay? We want to get approved and not denied. All right, so moving on to how else to get started. I'm just taking some screenshots here for my notes to make sure that we are continuously bringing you guys valuable content. Okay, so after you have let them know what your possible working schedule can be, now we are going to move forward and we're going to heart our top 3 working days. This is important because this lets Amazon Flex know which days you mostly prefer to work. Now they are asking us to let them know what shifts we prefer to work, right? So they have some options here. They have early morning, afternoon, evening, and late evening. Okay, so you're going to look at the times and see which times apply to you. I selected all of them and I just hearted the top 3 to get those early morning surge blocks for the people who don't like to wake up early, baby. We gonna get to it. Okay, so now next they are asking how many hours a week are you able to deliver? And I chose to select 31 hours or more. However, right here, you will tell them the hours that you are available to work. And now they are asking us to put in the type of vehicle that we have. Now, this part is very, very, very important because you do not want to lie right here. Amazon Flex, they want us to have vehicles that are mid-sized sedans or SUVs, right? So, by you being honest, they will approve you or deny you right here. So, we want to get approved and not denied. So let's be honest about the type of vehicle that we drive. Okay, so now the app is loading some information, and unfortunately, at the time that I applied, they don't have any opportunities available at the moment based on our current zip code, right? So I didn't want to put in another zip code. I did not want to lie. I did not even want to, try to beat around the bush and do something that's not honorable because being put on the waiting list is not necessarily a bad thing, right? You don't want to get approved and then have to drive an hour or 2 hours away from your home just to deliver packages, right? So again, we want to get approved and not denied. So here, this notification is saying, thank you for applying, to stay tuned, and that they put me on their waiting list. So now I am going to turn my precise location on while using and not to always, because I won't be using that application until I get approved. Now, here are some applications that you can download and use while you're waiting. I found 11 of them. So currently there are like 12 gig apps that you should definitely have on your phone if you're looking to make some extra cash. So the first gig app that you should download is DoorDash while you are waiting to get approved for Amazon Flex, you guys. I have never been a delivery driver before, but I'm so inspired by my husband's story and how much he loves his gig work and his flexibility and being able to provide for his family. So I just went ahead and just downloaded all of the apps to have on our business phone just in case I get approved for any of these apps. And then we can try them out and get some really, really, really good content for you guys. So along with Amazon Flex, of course, there's DoorDash, there's Uber, there's Uber Eats, there's Instacart, and I'm just looking for some more. So I think I'm in the business section on the Apple App Store right now, and I'm just going down the top 100 applications in business, and these are some of the apps that came up. So as you can see, Lyft Driver is one of them as well. I am going in right here, baby. Okay, Roadie Driver, my husband has used Roadie as well. Now, some of the apps will pay more, some of them will pay less. It definitely depends on the season and it depends on the demand. Wherever you are will determine how much you will get paid. Wherever we are in terms of the season, that will determine how much you get paid. How many workers there are in your area will also determine how you get paid. So, depending on when you are watching this video, right? We are based in Houston, Texas, and they didn't have any opportunities in our area because there are so many Amazon warehouses around Houston, in and around Houston, right? So, there are so many drivers right now. So, they didn't have anything available for our area. However, that should not discourage you from applying, depending on what area you're in, even if you live in Houston, they might have availability based on your zip code. So I would just apply and see if you get approved. But also be honest. I would say that. Be honest. You don't want to get deactivated before you even get your first shift, right? So I'm just going through right here. I'm still looking for more opportunities because we are currently in January 2026. It is the new year. Happy New Year. And a lot of people know, as gig workers, as 1099 contractors, this is the hardest month for self-employed business professionals. And well, it can be, January can be one of the hardest months for self-employed professionals, but we're going to make the most out of our time. Okay, so along with delivery driving, you can also download the Upshift app, and it will give you more gigs and more opportunities to explore outside of being a delivery driver. But we hope today's content was helpful and beneficial for you guys. Oh, don't forget Favor Runner. My husband has delivered some some hilarious content about Favor and insightful content about Favor and how he managed to make over $6,000, almost $7,000 in 1 month using the Favor Runner app. So definitely let us know what apps you like, what apps are better, what apps you prefer based on where you are as well. But we love you guys so much, and my portion of today's video is done. And now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to my husband, Paid to Deliver.
Hey y'all, thanks for showing me the love and support y'all have been showing. Welcome back to Paid to Deliver, and we're here today talking about how you apply for Amazon Flex for the first time.
Okay. So this is a collaboration with me and my husband. He is at Pay to Deliver. I am at Miss Dukes, and we love, love, love bringing you guys this quality content. So definitely make sure that you subscribe and double tap the screen, but also share this video if it has helped you in any way, right? So, babe, I have some questions for you.
Yeah.
All right. So, how did you feel after getting approved for Amazon Flex, and how long did it take, if you can remember?
I feel great actually. I could remember it was a night I was working in the warehouse at that time because moving to the US, that was actually my first job working at Amazon inside the warehouse. And then after a year or so, one night I decide I'm gonna file for sign up for Amazon Flex.
Wow.
And I had other apps on my phone already like Favor and Roadie, but I just wanted to make sure I have multiple apps because you never can tell what will happen. So I signed up for Amazon Flex. They approved me in less than a week.
Okay.
I
Not
was
bad.
on board. At that time, I was driving a Toyota RAV4.
Okay.
Before that, I had a Nissan Altima, but the process was quick because they didn't have many drivers. I guess maybe at the time of the
Okay.
zip code
Okay.
that I put in.
Exactly. So I mentioned that earlier. I told them to not be discouraged that I got, well, I'm not going to say disapproved, but that I got put on the waiting list because we're in Houston. So someone else in another part of Houston could get approved.
Yeah, so what happened right now, especially in Houston, it's flooded, it's full with a lot of Amazon Flex drivers. And Amazon recently, in the last 3 months, just opened up some station they had already for just where they package delivery. They open it up to Amazon Flex delivery. So now you have the station at Richmond where you can go and pick up packages. Also, you have the V. I would have to get the right code, but it's over by Judge Bush.
Okay.
Also, if you're going down to Lake City, Port Arthur, or something like that, there's another Amazon down there they open up also so drivers can pick up. And I think that's good because if you live closer to that side, at least you can pick that station.
Right.
It might be more easier for you to drive there and faster to get there, although they might send you a little further out, like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. It just depends.
Right. Okay. So, y'all, we are based in Houston, Texas. I apologize if we are calling out some cities that you are unfamiliar with, but let us know in the comments below. What city are you watching from? What state are you driving from? Okay. And where are you getting paid to deliver? Okay, babe. So, I heard you say that you were working in the Amazon warehouse first and then you applied for Flex. So were you still working in the Amazon warehouse when you applied and when you got approved?
Yes, I was working in the warehouse still.
Okay, so what made you even apply for Flex? Like where did that come from?
Well, I had friends who doing Amazon Flex and told me about it, although I was already doing Favor, this app called Favor and Roadie. So I said, let me go ahead and apply for it. But guess what? After I applied and got approved so quick, I didn't start doing it till after a couple months.
Wow. Okay. So that is one thing that I will say I love about Amazon Flex is that you can get approved and not use the app and still have an active status. And some of the apps that I have seen or heard you talk about, they will deactivate you if you don't use their
Ye-
app or
ye-
their service.
yes,
Yeah.
because a friend of mine told me about another app called Ship. I applied, got approved. I never used the app. In about a year and a half, almost 2 years, the account they deactivated without I even doing a delivery.
Right, right, right. So we are currently sitting in the car, right, with our kids, working from home or working wherever we are, right? And we are shooting this podcast. So how does it feel being able to work from anywhere in the world? Like we get to travel. We just came back from our first cruise vacation. Our dog is in heat now, guys.
We're grandparents.
So definitely stay tuned for that. and we will be breeding puppies soon. We're in the 2nd year of our dog breeding business. You have started to drive again, right?
Yeah.
So we have to prepare for your break. We have so much going on. 7 YouTube channels.
So much.
We are both 1099 contractors.
Yes.
Tax time is coming up. A lot of content will be going out, right?
Definitely.
To wrap up today's episode, what encouragement can you give the people who might feel like January is just not a good month? Like, I'm down right now. I need to make some extra money. I'm not feeling my best. How can I support my family?
I mean, if you already have multiple apps, go ahead in between when you're unable to get an Amazon block, go ahead and do your DoorDash or do your Favor and just try to work around all the apps. If you don't have the apps at all and you're trying to make some extra cash, pretty much the apps are right now. If you sign up, it's gonna take a very long time.
It could.
It could,
Yeah.
yes. Because I know some people sign up for Amazon Flex and it take them a year. It take them more than a year. And you have some people sign up and it take them 3 months. Again, it boils down to where your location at and the zip code and if they need drivers at that time. Like now during the Christmas season what just passed, people who apply, they needed extra drivers, they bring them on board. But now that Christmas is over and everything is kind of slowing down, they take them back off and put them back on a waiting list until other spots are open. Then they will bring them back permanent.
Yeah. But this is encouragement for any 1099 contractor because we are as well. And my husband is a delivery driver. Even though I am a social media marketing director, guys, there is money to be made. There is money to be made. So pay to deliver is just not for Amazon Flex content. Pay to deliver will be your finance and fatherhood hub. Definitely showing you guys how my husband provides for his family. So I'm really, really, really excited about the content that we have coming up, the collaborations that we have coming up, and your first live stream.
Yes. First live stream. We are planning to do it very soon. We will let you guys know. We'll have some giveaways. You don't have to be a Flex driver to come on the live stream. It goes for anybody. You don't even have to be doing delivery at all. You could come on. We'll ask some questions. We'll give couple giveaway and we're just gonna have some fun. You can ask as many questions as you like. I will surely answer all the questions I can. If I can't, I will do a video on that particular question. Thank you for all the love and support everyone has been showing me on my YouTube channel so far. I really appreciate each and every one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification for the next video. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next delivery. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.